The DJI Avata 360 is quickly shaping up to be one of the most ambitious drones DJI has ever developed. This isn't just an FPV refresh, it represents a major shift in how immersive 360-degree video, cinematic aerial filming, and high-performance FPV flight can exist in one compact platform. What started as early prototype rumors months ago has now turned into consistent leaks, clearer product imagery, and finalized labeling. These details strongly suggest the Avata 360 has moved well beyond the concept stage. Polished industrial design, visible DJI branding, and even promotional-style visuals indicate this drone has been quietly tested and refined for a long time. At the heart of the excitement is the Avata 360's rotating gimbal system with dual spherical camera lenses, a design that blends cinematic 360 capture with true FPV performance. Industry timing also points toward a pre-holiday launch, making this one of the most anticipated drone releases of the year. What truly sets the DJI Avata 360 apart is its dual-mode architecture. In full 360-degree mode, the drone uses two opposing ultra-wide spherical lenses, each covering nearly 180 degrees. Mounted vertically, one facing upward and one downward, the system relies on onboard AI stitching to merge both feeds into a single immersive 360-degree video. Leaks suggest this could deliver 8K 360-degree footage, giving creators the freedom to reframe shots after filming, adjust angles in post-production, and create content for VR, cinematic projects, or social media, without needing to precisely aim the drone during flight. With a simple mechanical gimbal rotation, rumored to be around 90 degrees, the Avata 360 instantly switches into FPV mode. In this configuration, the drone prioritizes low latency, agile handling, and smooth forward-facing footage, exactly what FPV pilots demand. The rotating gimbal also helps protect the spherical lenses during landings and transport, adding real-world durability. Performance-wise, leaks suggest DJI is aiming high. Each lens is rumored to feature a 1-inch class sensor, capturing 4K per lens. When stitched, this could result in crisp 8K 360 video at up to 50 frames per second. In FPV mode, a single lens may push 5K at 60 frames per second, delivering both clarity and smooth motion for high-speed maneuvers. All of this is expected to be powered by DJI's OcuSync 4 Plus transmission system, offering ultra-low latency, stronger signal stability, and a theoretical range of up to 20 kilometers under ideal conditions, making the Avata 360 suitable for both creative and professional workflows. Safety hasn't been ignored. Rumors point to full omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, using a mix of optical sensors, lidar, and intelligent vision processing. This should allow the drone to navigate complex environments more confidently, whether flying outdoors, in urban spaces, or indoors. Despite its advanced hardware, the Avata 360 is expected to offer around 25 minutes of flight time with a lightweight takeoff weight near 400 grams, improving portability and regulatory friendliness. Internal storage is rumored to reach 128 gigabytes, which is essential for high bitrate 8K 360 footage, though frequent offloading will still be necessary. DJI is also expected to offer the Avata 360 in multiple bundle options. Entry-level kits may start in the mid-hundreds, including a single battery and basic accessories. Fly More style combos would add extra batteries, charging hubs, and FPV goggles at a higher price point. Premium bundles could include advanced goggles, motion controllers, and enhanced accessories, pushing the Avata 360 toward the upper end of consumer drone pricing. This tiered strategy follows DJI's proven formula, making the drone accessible to newcomers while still appealing to professionals. The DJI Avata 360 could be a true turning point. By merging 8K 360-degree capture, AI stitching, FPV performance, advanced obstacle avoidance, and long-range low-latency transmission into one compact drone, DJI may be redefining what a hybrid drone can be. If the leaks are accurate, the Avata 360 has the potential to become one of DJI's most versatile and exciting releases yet.